DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
What's good, YouTube gang? Yeah, Don Mafia, we back in this bitch, man. You already see what we're doing today, man. Hey, this week, Rajah been on a roll this week, man. He been dropping songs back to back. If I'm not mistaken, we just reacted to Candle, and we just reacted to Grung before that. So I know he's in there with In a Makeup. So yeah, RajahWild going crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, RajahWild going in. So I want to check it out straight out upon. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. He's just like feel like I guess Rajah woke up and be like, yo, time for turn up. You know what I'm saying? Turn up the consistency and start drop bangers, and that's what he's doing, man. I guess Rajah saying now wait for holiday season, and you know wait for next year. He's dropping songs. You know what I'm saying? So I guess that's what he's doing, man. But before that, we're gonna jump right in the track, gang. You know, before that, gang, you know, how y'all doing, man? How y'all feeling? How's y'all weekend going, man? I hope y'all taking care of yourself, taking steps towards your dreams, man. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all making every day count, man. You already know what time it is. Yo, you already know what time it is. We stay lit over here, gang, and we gonna make every day count, man. Stay shooting for your dreams, bro. Don't ever stop. But yeah, man, Rajah, bro. Hey, y'all see the thing with Rajah being called out by Buju's son? Not Buju. Allegedly being called out by Buju, saying he's the most evil artist in dancehall. And a while ago I was on social media and I saw like some I think it was Hive JA, you know, asking question like, is RajahWild the most evil dancehall artist? You know what I'm saying? Which is crazy, man. A lot of buzz around his name based on this topic, but Tommy Lee been doing the same thing for years. You know what I'm saying? Similar music for years. And I don't see everybody be like, you know, Ray, yo, you're evilest artist on earth and all. And Tommy Lee start all this wave, you know what I'm saying? So if Rajah gonna get backlash, you know what I'm saying, you don't know Tommy Lee, you know, should be getting, you know, I'm just saying, if y'all being fair, you know what I'm saying? But hey, man, it is what it is. He's doing his thing. I think, you know, it's just maybe his creative process or his way of his expressing himself, you know what I'm saying? I don't necessarily mean he's evil, but it's very dark topics he be talking about, but it's also fun, man. And we going, man, for all that, man, we're gonna react to all that, man, and you react to the music and have some fun, gang, you know what I'm saying? So let's jump right in the track. You already know this is RajahWild In a Makeup. Let's get it.
Yo, get me started with dead man. An apology to 40 bring 10 gal.
You said about dead man a while ago? You said about dead man party bring dead man a
40 bring 10 gal.
Party bring 10 gal.
I'm inside. Sinful.
Yeah, that Mr. Sinful himself, you see me, gang?
Oh, behind rumming, I'm a couple of parties.
Whoa, bro. Come on, Rajah. Come on, Rajah. This ain't starting already, gang. We are, bro. You're already getting backlash already, bro. And this how you choose to start off the new track, bro, that you just dropped, bro. This man like, yo, bro, I don't care what y'all saying, bro. I don't give a damn, man. I'm gonna make more music, bro, because they just bashing. And this is a song you choose to drop after all the controversy and all the things that's going on, bro. That's crazy, gang. But hey, man, that's your thing, bro. I won't knock it, gang. Let's get it. Yo, this nigga said, oh, be Highland rubbing on my cup. Hey, hold on, dog. Let me pull it back up, bro. Cause when he said in my cup, I was gonna think this man gonna say like liquor, bro. Rajah, for real, bro? That's what you doing, gang? That's what you doing, gang? Damn, bro. Let's get it.
Oh, behind rumming, I'm a couple of parties, so me roll with dope if I'm enough. Me cash a million, turn it up in the club about those who bad bitch want fuck, but I'm a dunce. Oh, behind rumming, I'm a couple of parties, so me roll with dope if I'm enough. Dopey play your body big, make it bounce by the gun, make it cocky bounce by.
Rajah, yo, this nigga wildin' love. What behind rumming, I'm a cup, bro. Love parties, I'm gonna power it up enough. Love parties, I'm roll it up enough, bro. Girl want to come here rap, but this man breaking all the rules, bro. No cap.
Anyway, fuck up, anyway, shit. I wear the vibes of the product. Do a killer rock with a 9 from my stomach. I seen a life gunman, put your cup up. Better mind step on my shoes, come corrupt. You pay for that. In my ways, I'm stuck up. Run up in a this, I in a hell, where you buck up.
Man say no. Man say no, say stuck up, run up in a this. I in a hell you buck up, brother. Jaja. Yo, man. Man, I call himself hell, bro. You know, buck up, Rajah, you know?
Stuck up, run up in a this, I in a hell, where you buck up. A jiggy, watch him me stir up. Watch him carry a mix up. Oh, behind rum in a couple of parties, so me roll with dope on my nose. Me cash a million, turn it up in the club about those bad bitch want fuck because I'm done. Oh, behind
cash a million, so me turn it up in the club. Both a bag of bad bitch want call me tons. That's crazy. Easy, no? Damn, bro. Woman make you know what's up? Cha. You see that? Yeah, man. Buck shot ready, dog. Easy, no, man.
I'm a couple of parties, so me roll with dope on my nose. Your body big, make it bounce by the ground.
Easy, no? Yeah, man. Your body big, make it bounce, woman, man. I want to go on.
Cocky bounce, blue jeans and Gucci kicks. Sin a step, smooth with it. Girl a pose 6 months eluded it. She want party with killers and fugitives. And she a mukbang, so she fucking crew.
Girl a pose 6 I must elude it. Damn. I want body big, man. Easy, no?
In it. Goes up, down, make it bounce. Make it bounce. Make it
bounce, man. Easy. The one body easy.
jump. Oh, behind rum in a couple of parties, so me roll with dope on my nose. Me cash a million, turn it up in the club about those bad bitch
all black down right now. Feel her.
Behind rum in a couple of parties, so me roll with dope on my nose. Your body big, make it bounce by the ground.
Poof. Yeah, easy, yeah. Girl, what go on though? If you don't get them just now, all black like them, I got some blood clot funeral dog.
Your body big, make it bounce by the ground. Cocky bounce by. I ain't no fuck up, I ain't no shit. I wear the vibes of the product. Do a killer rock with a 9 pa my stomach. I seen a life gunman, put your cup up. Brother, my step on my shoes, come corrupt. Pay for that. In my ways, I'm stuck up. Run up in at this, I ain't.
Saying I'm ways, I'm stuck up. Yeah, bro, what kind of banner is that, bro? Yo, bro, is that a Baphomet flag, bro? Same flag, bro? Damn, bro, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Ella, when you buck up, a jiggy, watch him me stir up. Watch him carry a mix up. Oh, behind rum and I'm a couple of parties, so me roll with dope on my nose. Me cash a million, turn it up in the club about those bad bitch want fuck me come dance. Oh, behind rum and I'm a couple of parties, so me roll with dope on my nose.
Man saying love parties and roll with Duffy on him enough, dog. Yo, Raja, easy, dog.
Your body big, make it bounce by the ground. Cocky bounce by your ground. Go so down. Make it bounce. Make it bounce. Why not my cup?
Well,
Sinful.
Man, cup, dog. Jaja. Man say sinful. Gang, what y'all think about that one, man?
I believe.
Boy, tripping. You wanna say liquor and thing in and cut, brother, or something. You see me even some lean or something, bro. But the man gonna over hell, brother. Over hell and rum together, dog. Yeah, man, that's normal, you know? Nah, man. Normal is a life for them, brother. You see me? That one normal blood lead. Gang, what y'all think about that one? Yo, tell me, what y'all think? Rajah tripping, bro? Huh? Rajah tripping? Is that Rajah's most evil song or what? Damn, bro, this man wilding, bro. For all what's going on in the media, bro, I thought the man would like chill out or calm down, but this man decided to say he might turn it up even more. He might go even more extreme. He's breaking all the rules, bro. You see me going out the box, everything, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Shout out to Rajah is doing his thing, bro. The one in here, me na me cup. Yeah, let me know what y'all think about that one, man. He kicked it off crazy, bro. Ube Island, rubbing on my cup. He kicked it off real crazy, gang. I was not expecting that one, man. But yeah, man, shout out to Rajah. You feel me, gang? If you like it, show that to some love and support, man. And make sure y'all let me know what y'all want me to react to next, and I'll definitely get it done. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, drop a comment in the comment section. Check the description link for the Discord, all that good stuff. You can talk to me directly, send me videos, and send me requests, gang. Yeah, man, boy. Yeah, man, Rajah tripping, gang. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what this guy on. You know what I'm saying? That boy wilding, man. Yo. But hey, keep doing your thing, though, Rajah. Shoot for the star, bro. Your boy's going. People love you. They're watching. So there's something they definitely like. So, but yeah, man, I say. That be kind of dark, but you know, he's a very good artist. So, shout out to Rajah. Gang, let me know what y'all think. Till next time, you don't know it's boy Jambisco here now. Hit and smash now. Bang! Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.